Hey guys, I'm really excited to introduce you to Marc's newest addition to the coconut family, Finish Line Coconut Setting Powder. It's a super creamy powder that melts into your skin, and you'll fall in love with the beautiful coconut scent. It will set your makeup with a soft matte finish for up to 8 hours. Finish Line contains 5 forms of coconut and cocoa butter, so it's super modern and fresh, never dry or cakey. Today, I'm going to walk you through 3 different types of finishes that you can get using Finish Line. Prepping and priming the skin is essential before any foundation application, so I started by using Undercover Coconut Perfecting Face Primer to provide hydration. Then I used Shameless Foundation. Here's what I recommend if you want to create a soft matte look. Do a soft dusting of Finish Line all over the face using the Face 1 brush. I like using the Face 1 brush because it gives you a light, even finish all over. For the second look, I'll be creating a no makeup look. The idea is that you're eliminating unwanted shine and then keeping shine in the areas where we want it. So using a beauty sponge, you'll set underneath your eye, down the nose, on the chin, and across your forehead. Then you're using the Face 1 brush to sweep away the excess, leaving the radiant shine on the perimeter. Another look you can create using Finish Line is that full beat. So this is all about using Finish Line all over. It gives you a completely matte finish while extending the wear of your makeup. So to start, you use a dampened beauty sponge and you're applying a heavier dose of Finish Line underneath the eyes, right down through your T-zone, across the forehead and the chin. And then I like to use it down across the lower jaw. Now the idea is that you let it set here for a few seconds before sweeping it away with the Face 1 brush for a nice, smooth, flawless finish. Finish Line is so creamy and really versatile. It's great for like baking, setting foundation, or simply create a flawless finish.